Yeah, what's up, man? My name is Mr. T. Welcome to my home, sweet home, the virtual. Yeah, what's the name of your school?
Social Institute.
Really? What year are you now?
Third year.
Fourth year high school?
Third year.
Third year, okay. I see that board on the right side. There are questions posted on that board. I'd like you to read those questions all together. Come on, read those questions.
Where do you live?
Well, I live here in the place where you're standing on, the virtual reef. This is my home sweet home.
Bina? What do you eat?
I eat invertebrates. Do you know what are invertebrates?
No.
Could you please tell me about them?
They are food.
No bones.
Okay. Seashell creatures without backbones, such as crabs, lobsters, and shrimps.
What are you?
What's the next question, Zombo?
What sea creatures are you afraid of?
There's only one sea creature that I'm afraid of. I'm afraid of sharks. Because whenever sharks see me, they look at me as a floating fried chicken. Sharks like to eat me.
How did you learn?
Well, I learned to talk because my mama and papa taught me how to talk.
Why do you speak in Tagalog?
Ayoko.
Ayaw niya daw.
Why do you speak in
Now that you're done with your 4 questions on board, you can ask me any kind of questions that comes in your own now.
Oh, sugar. What are you?
Marami, dude.
Marami daw.
Nasaan ka?
Guwapo ko eh.
Ilan taon ka na?
Pwedeng tayo.
Kuya, makita ka. Ilan taon ka
Di
daw
mo
ka
ako,
na?
di mo ako kuya na isda ko.
May fishbook po ba? May fishbook? May fishbook po ba?
Si Mena.
What else would you like to ask me, ha?
May fishbook po ba sa sea?
Oo, meron.
Ano po yung email ad nyo?
Email ad.
My email at mrt@yahoo.com. Admin.
Kala ko at ya.
What else, ha?
Dickyahoo.com.
Mukha mo.
Guwapo, guwapo. Guwapo siya.
Salamat.
Guwapo siya, hindi ka.
Ang cute mukha mo.
Dito, sa harap mo.
Narinig ka talaga, Roy.
Ikaw talaga, Roy, oh.
Yan na tayo na. Diyan na tayo sa salita.
Narinig talaga.
What else, ha?
Where's the exit? Where's the exit? Nasa pa kami lalabas?
I don't know where Lexen, dude.
Six?
Uy, tanong pa kayo.
Wala na? Wala na kayong tatanong?
Kami lalabas.
Okay, go to the right now. You need to walk to the right.